These are my two favorite phrases in real estate. The first one is more specific for those people who are buying a home as their primary residence. And it goes like this. It's not about timing the market. It's all about time in the market. Now, if you're a real estate investor or you're contemplating purchasing real estate for investment purposes, I would rather you embrace this one. You make money when you buy the house, not when you sell it. And think about that for a second. Let it sit in. You make money when you purchase the house, not when you sell it. You see, in real estate investing, it's all about acquiring the property at a price where you can guarantee a set rate of return. If you buy the home for too expensive and it takes too much money to repair it and you try to flip it, you could very easily find yourself upside down and you could very easily lose $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a home. Trust me, I know this firsthand all too well because I own a real estate investment company. Now, if you're looking to make money in real estate, there's three ways that most real estate investors make money. The tried and true way is buy and hold. That means you purchase the property, you fix it up, and you rent it out. You hold on to that sucker for the next 5, 7, or even 15 years. Let someone else pay your mortgage. Let the home appreciate. Let the principal balance on the note go down. After 10, 15 years, you sell it, you made some money. The second way is called fixing and flipping. Sounds fun, it sounds sexy. However, it's not for the faint of heart. And the third most popular way is something called wholesaling. Wholesaling is when you find a property and instead of you actually fixing it up and flipping it, you find the property, then you sell it to another investor. You make quick money, but you typically make a lot smaller of a profit margin. Now, I recently recorded an entire episode of the Loan Officer Podcast. In fact, that's episode 420 if you want to go check it out. Spotify, Apple, or better yet, go over to our parent YouTube channel, the Loan Officer Podcast, aka the original TLOP, and tune in because the entire show is Real Estate Investing 101. In fact, check out this clip from that show. I've always wanted to have a real estate investment company. Like, I look at real estate for what it is. It's the number one way for most of us to generate the most amount of wealth. When you look at that, the richest of the rich, they typically have a lot of real estate holdings. Okay. So I'm like, I want a piece of that. And I also learned a valuable lesson in life that I am a part of a very successful company, but I don't have any equity. And that still today pisses me off. Like, I don't have equity. I don't have stock options. There's no long-term incentive plan. Do you know my employer has never given me one dime towards my retirement?
What?
Not a dime. No, that's not my setup with my employer, right? So my setup's a little bit differently, and I'm entrepreneurial with them, and I have access to a P&L. So my branch in my region contributes to my 401k, just like we contribute to the 401ks of our associates. But the parent company, right? Like my quote unquote partner in that mess,
I see what you're saying.
they've given me no equity. They've given me no stock options,
Gotcha.
and they don't contribute anything towards my retirement. So on that note, there came a time in my life I was like, look, I want more. And I would love to be able to be a part of a company that owned 1, 2, or 300 various assets, single family homes, townhomes, condos, multifamily, maybe even small apartment complexes, at which point we rented them and the rents cash flowed and the property values went up in value. So when I fast forward 10 or 15 years from now and I'm ready to exit the work world, there's a dollar amount that's going to be a golden parachute for your boy DO, right? Like, that was the thought. And also, I like making money, and there's a way to make money fixing and flipping property. So what I've learned, this shit ain't easy. That's what I'd start with. This shit ain't easy. And if it was easy, everyone would do it.
Everyone is doing it. I see it all the time, or used to see all the time on TLC and like those family stations and shit.
Yeah. Okay. If you think it's anything like what you see on TV,
A&E,
you are a bigger fool than I thought. Right? I mean, that's like watching, true story, that is like watching some kind of a romantic comedy and thinking that's real life. That's like watching Transformers and thinking that you could really do that shit. Like, as if you're Matt Damon and Jason Bourne and you could kill somebody with like your pinky and your big toe. Like, come on, man, it's fantasy. You watch TLC and Discovery Channel, like they're showing you very surface level clips. They don't get into the nitty gritty. I'm trying to spend 15 minutes right now and get into the nitty gritty. And I'm going to let the people know, looking right at the camera, first and foremost, this shit ain't easy. And if it were easy, everyone would do it. Now, is it a great business? Sure, it's a great business, right? Like, there's various great businesses out there. Being a mortgage loan originator, great business. Being a financial advisor, great business. Owning a training and development company, great business. But that shit ain't easy either. It takes time. It takes resources. It takes know-how. And when I say know-how, like, you know how to do something. And I mean, we're 4 years into it and we're still learning every single day. We're 4 years into it and things consistently don't go our way. We're 4 years into it and we're consistently pivoting. Now, are we purchasing more homes every month than we did the previous month? Sure. Are we selling more homes? Sure. Are we starting to accumulate more assets? And by assets, I mean more real estate property for holding? Yes. Like, all of that is a resounding yes. However, it still isn't easy. There are definitely days when we feel like we don't have enough money. There's definitely days where we feel like, oh my gosh, if we don't get these 2 properties moved in the next 60 days, we're going to have to figure out something. And whatever figure out means, it's not a fun decision to have to make. And I have learned these 2 things. You can never have enough money, and you can never have enough contractors. So there's my story. That's what prompted me to get into real estate investing. If you're trying to follow suit, or you're trying to pick up some short-term rentals, maybe some long-term rentals, maybe you want to get it in the fix and flip world, and you have questions, please know I have an entire team throughout the country of mortgage and real estate professionals that are TLOP approved that would love nothing more but to spend some time with you answering your questions and possibly even walking you through a free home buying consultation. If you'd like to connect with either us or a member of our team or one of our approved professionals, we make it super easy for you. All you need to do is down in the description, click the link, fill out the form, and by filling out the form, you made yourself eligible for one of our proven professionals to reach out to you to walk you through your very own personalized home buying consultation. And obviously, the comment section is wide open. Feel free to ask questions or let us know what you liked best about this content or what you'd like to see more of. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we look forward to seeing you back on our channel multiple times as we drop new content every single week.